Is it art? I suppose we are about to find out. Let's use a classic Rubik's Cube, shall we? Oh, hang on, I'll just do like that first. Sorry, forgot to press. Have a look, buddy, see what you think. It is quite a classic design. It's been around for like 40 something years now, so, you know, take a look. Oh, he really is up. Come on, it's a classic. So, yeah. Oh, I get the impression you like it. I get the impression you. Oh, you. What? Well, and that's it. You're a hack. I'm taking my cube and getting out of here. You know nothing.